Greeting, intrepid travelers. I am the apprentice, and today I will be your guide for the journey of perfect beard care. Today, we are going to delve into the dark and dangerous realm of beard care, where a single misstep could end up in catastrophe. For you see, there are many things that one should never, ever put in their facial hair.
May your beards be forever blessed, and treasure forever upon your door.
Ah, but what are these perils, you may ask? Well, let me tell you. First on our list is the dreaded acid. No, I do not mean the magical kind, that ones that dragons breathe out of their mouth, but I do mean these chemicals that you may find in the occasional grooming product. These potions can burn and damage the delicate hairs of your beards, and leave you with a very unkempt appearance. Next, we have the poison of the sea. Salt. Yes, the very same thing that you use to flavor your food can also be something quite damaging to your facial hair. You see, salt can dry out your skin and the hair, leaving it brittle and exposed to damage. And finally, we come to the dark lord of beard care, soap. Ah, but not any soap, mind you. There are some soaps that can be nourishing and gentle for your facial hair and skin, but there are also some soaps that can strip away the natural oils of your beards, leaving it dull and lifeless. So my friends, these are the dangers that you must avoid on your beardly adventures for perfection. But fear not, if you are wise and you seek counsel, there are oils, there are balms, and other tonics that you can use to keep your beard nice, soft, supple, and safe from the ravages of time. Thank you, adventurers. Please remember to like our little video here and subscribe to the channel if you have not. Every subscribe, like, and comment is going to help our channel grow, and we are always greatly appreciative of that. As we always say at the end of these videos, may your beards be forever blessed, and fortune forever upon your door. Have a wonderful day.